out to La Jolla. Maybe get some water time, dive on some kelp patties, cast a few, see what we can catch. But a nice smooth morning, and then catch a little sail on the way home. I'm on galley duty this morning. I'm gonna make some brunch for us as we head out. We're gonna make some salmon and some fried eggs. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna prep some of our rods and reels, get them ready, so that if an opportunity comes around, if we see kelp patty, or once we get out far enough to fish off La Jolla, we'll be ready to go.
Throw a wax wing
I like that
at
one.
it, or that at it.
And after the bigger one. I like this one.
Let's back there. So these two.
Barrett just said there's a shark behind us. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, cool. That's amazing. Yeah, he just ducked down, but 2.5, 3 months we've seen. This is the third shark we've seen. He's big enough. Probably not as big as the one we caught, but just trailed us for a minute. We didn't have any lines out or anything. Barrett's gonna cast a few just to see if we can get him to surface again. Pop up out. Okay, there he is. All right, so just gonna get a look at him. We're not gonna really try to bring him in or anything, but so he just ducked down again. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I feel like a shark hunter recently. I'm not trying to catch shark. I didn't even really want to see him. I'll see him from afar, but the winds are really light right now, almost non-existent. There's not much current, so we've unfurled the Genoa. We're using it to put us on a slow sail drift. We're in about 50 to 70 feet of water right now. We're able to keep our heading just along this kelp line. The movement is just enough to keep the lures moving and allow us to cast at a new spot with each throw. And it's incredibly peaceful when the engine is off. There's some good kelp here, like a couple feet under the surface.
See where that dude bit it? Look at that. Look at this. The paint's gone.
Nice. Yeah, that thing was pretty new and clean. Very cool. Got a bite off the iron. Gonna try, what you call this, a wax wing?
Yep.
We're in stealthy mode right now, sail fishing. I've been dying to swim around the kelp line. I imagine it to be kind of like an underwater forest. The sun's peeked out a little bit more and the visibility is pretty clear, so it should be beautiful under there. The sweatshirt I'm wearing was handcrafted by my niece Elizabeth. She hand dyes to any color and hand embroiders them. Catch her on Instagram at eStitched to order one for yourself. Or you could send me a note in the comments and I will connect you. All proceeds go to her. Hit her up and let her know that you saw this video.